I'm very grateful to the people of Korea to come to our rescue, because sanitation is one of our major challenges, and as we said, it's about our children's dignity, self-respect, self-worth, and this facility will go a long way, especially for the young ones to grow up really in a very dignified environment. So I'm very impressed and humbled. Okay, one of the key challenges that we got from our provinces is overcrowding. I mean, we went to COVID overcrowded, we come back still overcrowded. So it's an old problem, but we just have decided to confront it once and for all. And obviously also the whole question about appointing teachers immediately and making sure that provinces have the resources. I was happy the Minister of Finance gave us the additional money we needed to have the extra teachers. The second one, which is quite unique in the Eastern Cape, is the fencing, and they are saying that schools, and it's not only in the Eastern Cape, I think it's most of our rural provinces, where schools were just built in communities by community people. Now there's a desperate need for fencing, but in provinces like Gauteng, also where there's overcrowding, there's a furniture problem. They don't have adequate desks, adequate chairs. So those are some of the key problems that we have to deal with.
Ndingatsho into yoba kokuqala sifuna ubulela apha kumphathiswa we-basic education welizwe jikelele, sibulele kakhulu napha kwi-Koreans ngosincedisa kakhulu kulo mcimbi we-sanitation. Njengoba besetshilo umphathiswa into yoba xa uthetha nge-sanitation uthetha nge-right, not nge-privilege. So ibalulekile ke into yokubana siyithathe serious lo. Okwesibini into yokuba sikwazile ukutyumba izikolo noko zasemaphandleni, ukwakha noko iziseko ezifanelekileyo ezinokwenza abantwana nabantu bazifilishe beyinxalenye yotshintsho lwezemfundo eMzantsi Afrika
Well, thank you for the question. We have a project of small-scale assistance to South Africa every year. And this year we talked with the Department of Basic Education and the Eastern Cape provincial government, and we talked to each other and then decide to come here to provide sanitary facilities for the local students. We are very happy to do that, and then we are very happy to see principals and children, students are happy and they have a better sanitation with these facilities.
Into yokuqala that mentioned, abantwana abancinci baka-grade R are not allowed or should not be using or sharing the toilet facilities with abantwana abadala. This school starts from grade R to 7. So for their safety, and even in the abadala kuyo is separated from abanye. So even sanitation, it must be a separated entity for them. Now, Kasifumana as toilets, that one was covered. Secondly, as toilets, zifika kwixesha apho le village isafarisha from amanzi. So bona bazifumana ngexesha apho isikolo sikwazileyo ukuba sizenzele ibhoholu. So ezinto zabo sebenziseka kakuhle and zikwi-level yabo, even i-seats zakhona ngaphakathi zikwi-level yabo, so they won't struggle ukuzisebenzisa ezo-grade R. Thank you. Yenye yezinto esizibulela kakhulu leyo ukuthi sifumane kweli xesha siphila kulo le-safety. Bantwana have died because of i-pit toilets. Sifumane ii-toilets eziflashwayo thina with a very much safe septic tank. So ezi toilets ziyaflashwa and ziyazi automatically filling themselves amanzi. Yes, we demolished pit toilets. Oh, what a very good question. Yabona le veki sikuyo le kwenzeka kuyo le handing over. It is the same week that I came for interviews in 2021. My interviews were on the 1st of March, and on the 4th of March there is this huge handing over of these facilities. For me and the community, it shows an impact on my side as the principal. It reflects to my presence to the school.